Hey guys, we received this Artnaturals Himalayan rock salt lamp for test and try. So it's really a little bit heavy and original Himalayan salt lamp. So let's open the box. As you can see, this comes with the salt brick in it itself, so it's quite heavy for that. And the packaging is really nice. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So here's let me open this one, and you can see a protective sheet and the manual and the product itself. So you have to be careful as the salt break. And then let me open this uh, plug-in and the regulator, so you can regulate like the light, the intensity of the light and the heat. So let me just open everything. Let me open the salt protective sheet as well. So I opened it, and you can see a great Himalayan salt break on a lamp. And just like have this one and then plug it in. So once you plug, you have to control the light with the regulator. So there is a round regulator with this product. So you can control the intensity of the light with this regulator, as you can see, up and down. So this one is a quite bright light, and a quite lower one or no light, based on your intensity you want. Use it as a night lamp or just as a small light lamp, whatever you want to use for. It gives a really nice ambience, like a sunrise sort of light. And this is a pink color, so combined with the other light, so you can see the quality here. So it's a wooden base and a nice logo imposed on it, and also like the light itself is really good. So I just put it on an end table just to show like the stability and the look, which I really like. That this particular ambience light looks like a small sunrise to me, and this also help with the Himalayan salt to evaporate. A nice lamp.